This is going to be an ungodly short review anyway, so what am I supposed to do for the intro for this? Ooh, snow. Ooh. This video is going up in January. There's snow outside. There. Let's get into it. Hello and welcome back to another Plamo review. Today we're taking a look at the customized scene-based Snowfield version. This is going to be a pretty short review because, much like the desert version that I reviewed like over a year ago, not a lot to talk about here. I mean, really there's only 5 things you get. Rocks, which, yeah, it's all molded in just white plastic, but I mean, painting it's not that hard. Literally a couple washes and light dry brushing and it turns out this good. It's very easy. These 2 sort of billows of snow, which I did a little bit of blue highlighting on, but again it's not exactly hard. And then you get the main snow base, which is again the same sculpt as the desert. Works a little bit better for sand than snow in my opinion, though the glossy finish on this doesn't really help. I'm going to be using Vallejo snow effect on top of this anyway once I'm done with the review, so it doesn't really matter to me. But you've got these 4 sort of caps which have 5mm holes in them, so if you want to put something up on a stand using this base, you just pop one of these out and you can connect it onto other action bases using the little usual connectors. This doesn't come with one, but you can use them if you get an action base 4 or an action base 5 or anything that uses the usual action base bases. And as for a quick size comparison, same size as every other action base. So to wrap this review up, I mean, this is a nice little display base. If you want one, put a little bit of work into it, it's completely serviceable. Pretty cheap. I mean, there's not really much to say, honestly. It's nice for what it is. And that's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to let me know what you think down in the comments below. Subscribe and hit the bell to be alerted for future reviews. Come chill in the Discord. Follow me on Twitter, if that's even still around. And consider supporting me on Patreon so I can keep bringing you videos like this. And, as always, until next time, happy building.